Hit it hard, ladies. Hit it hard, ladies.
3, 2,
No one's
1. Go, 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 go!
Where you hit from?
I'll get you right now. Fuck, good leg. I got hit.
You good.
Huh?
Watch yourself, they're all on the side right there.
I'll get him
About
right now.
6 or 7 of them. Whoa, he's trained on me. Watch out, he's trained on me. He knows I'm here, but he doesn't know you're here. There you go. Reload! He's moving up! Hey, Robert, hey!
So we're dead?
No.
We got hit by a rocket.
Who's calling us out?
Shoot him in the leg. Shoot him in the leg.
Got him. Yeah, come on yourself. Get that big. Go down.
Shoot him in the leg. Shoot him in the legs.
I got how you got one.
I hit him already.
Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
My shit don't reach that far. You, that's you.
Robert, that door. Robert.
Hell yeah. KWA. Why not, Juan? Yeah, you try and get these guys on the other side. You see 'em?
Hey! Our shots are get behind you. Let's stick them out.
Let's go. Where's he at? Let's go.
Get out.
That guy in the car?
Yeah, I hit the top.
Is the guy in the car out?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna rush to it.
No, there's a door right here. There's somebody right there. Right here, the door? Right here.
There's another one on the other side. They're looking through that little hole right there.
He's there. Ready, Orlando?
I'll rush in it.
Ready?
Ready? Juan, ahí están. Hey, when you're out? Huh?
I got shot, bro. I got shot. Yeah? And my medic was taking me. Okay? And what happened was, Get out of there!
I say get behind the truck.
Alright, I'll tell you what it is. Hey, let's go!
You're gonna do it, Bounty.
Let it go! Yeah, they're hiding under the truck. Come on, man. Shut up!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Way too close, buddy. They're mad. Good.
Get the guys in the middle.
But the guy's right
There's
there.
a guy sitting right there in the middle. Yeah, that's the one we gotta get. Those guys over there. Well, let's go. How the hell are they going through everybody? I hate everybody with a fucking nurse thing.
Hey, you want me to rush him?
Hey, you're dead, bro.
Thank you.
If you can, shoot just fucking full auto that thing. I want to run forward. But give me a second.
Alright, yeah, let me
I gotta
change
put a
your
mag.
fucking...
It's not fucking shitty in my gun.
Let me change mags with it. You're gonna do that shit. Hold on. You gonna run straight at him?
I'm gonna run straight through that door.
Alright. Wait.
See him come out?
Set. Go. Go, go, go. The truck!
Fuckers are crazy.
For real.
Straight out, he can see you. Careful.
To your left. Hit.
They're all dead right there. You should keep going.
The rocket hit on the other side of the wall, which means
It's
it's dead.
Where do you want to
They're
go?
coming this way. You want to get in the city or you want to go out that way?
Say we flank those guys to help those guys move up.
Alright, let's crash in from the side then. Okay, so don't worry. Way far in the back. Okay, we're getting covered. We're getting smoked.
Hey, back to that.
Hey guy, cover us over here. Make sure no one gets us.
Hit.
Oh, hey.
Contact, go.
Where do you want to
They're
go?
coming this way. You want to get in the city or you want to go out that way?
Say we flank those guys to help those guys move up.
Alright, let's crash in from the side then. Okay, so don't worry. Way far in the back. Okay, we're getting covered. We're getting smoked.
Hey, back to that.
guy. Cover us over here. Make sure no one gets it.
Want me to go with him?
Let's help this guy over here.
Help who?
15 feet, but all right. I was gonna say here, help him, but you got a hit right there. Oh, I got a hit right there. Hey, Rap. This turkey neck is good. We ought to. Ready? We're gonna spit out. We're gonna spit out. I'm gonna run across. I like the window. Got him.
There's one more left, Lena.
Hey, push! Let's move!
Let's go!
Good shot, take everything back.
I'm good. Where's that? Get in there. Angel!
Moving left.
Hey man, what do you want to do?
Gun hits count, bro. You didn't shoot me. I didn't hit anything. I'm shooting your gun.
You got your gun.
Point, bro. I can't miss. Yeah, you got me after I cut you. Good work.
Hey, have you been medic yet?
No, not yet.
Here. Where the fuck's my shit? Here.
I'm running low on ammo, bro.
I got a reload. I got mags. You want one?
Yeah, you got me in my ball. What you in my ball? Here. Want your band back?
Come on, let me get out of here.
Hey, they're right there. Watch out.
Yeah.
Right, you're up. Medic, here. They're right here. I'm already dead.
Is that good?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good.
That's why I didn't run. I was already dead. Guys, move up! Move up! Come back! Come back! Come back!
Oh, my bad, bro. Hit.
Hey ladies, what's up? You guys alright?
Yeah, man.
Hey, my wristband broke. Or else fucked up. Carter shot me. Thanks, Carter.
Good to see you.
I was right.
I was right behind Carter the last one. I showed up this dude and
my
he
jump
shot
shot's
me
broke.
and
I
then
can
I'm like, what?
I just got, the dude next to me just got hit with a fucking grenade. And then it blew me up, or a rocket grenade, dude. He got shot in his fucking small of his back. Dude went like this.
Hey, did you see the guy in the car that rushed up by himself?
Oh, I fucked him up. Yeah,
Everybody did.
Yeah, dude, he ate those bees like. Dude, I was laughing so
And all
hard.
he had was glasses on.
Hey, my bad, bro.
No, dude, don't worry about that shit.
That's all Austin did, and I was like, oh, this guy might have been.
Anybody got a bandage?
Yeah.
Bandage!
I got some of the bandage.
Here, I got an extra one.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Alright, Austin, you ready?
Let's go. Grenade launcher on us, so watch out.
Watch the ass, let's go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Into ditch. Go. Truck stick. Yeah, there you go.
Robert. No, I gave part of it away. I don't give the whole thing away. Come on now.
You need it? Here. Ah, fuck. Guess I need it.
Look, these guys are really talented. They just lobbing. I hate you.
Oh, fuck it, I'm in. You rescued me.
I'm just gonna tuck this shit in.
We gotta get back to that taco truck again.
Yeah, I know.
I got hit.
They're pretty loud.
Yeah, they're just bouncing.
Get me?
Hey,
fuck
you
that.
guys?
Put it back in the deal.
Come on, kiddies, let's go!
Come on, you Irishman.
Alright, that one hit me.
Where?
Hey, this is Goggle.
Where'd you?
But I'm in a bad spot because they keep hitting me.
They keep hitting me?
Nando, what does it look like?
I don't know. I don't even know where they're at.
Holy crap! Oh, get down, sit down.
Hey, I'm gonna jump right in front of you. I'm gonna jump right in front of you.
Nando, where's the car?
Ah,
No.
come on this way.
Come over here.
Good, you're good, you're good, you're good, kid, you're good.
I can't hang. Am I a dead man or can I talk? Technically, I'm not dead. I'm waiting to be bandaged. If he's waiting to be revived, can he talk? What? If he's waiting to be revived, can he talk? Kind of dead. And just FYI, when you're in no man's land like that,
Ah, hit.
Hey, guys, there's a guy in the trench on the left side!
Right behind you. See, where'd he go?
What the fuck?
You down? Can we climb over that trench?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, they got guys posted over there. Right there. Straight ahead, Sam.
Where? In the tree?
In the building. In the building. In the building. What's up, B? Getting these guys.
You guys look straight. That go opening in the wooden fence. Bunch of them.
Don't worry about that.
Hey, can we climb across this thing right here?
No, we can't. We gotta go through the exits only.
Oh, good.
Tie them off. You got to tie off. Tie them off, please. They're locking the If you go to this side. Justin, you still alive?
Where do you want to go, Sieg?
Mark him down.
Hey, shift
Come
over.
down the trench, come down the trench!
Hey, we need to shift our fire over the burn. They're all stacking up outside the factory.
Okay, but we don't have any flanks. We have no cover from our right side, our right flank.
We got guys.
How's the other side of the berm?
Yeah.
How's the other side of it?
It's a shit. It's outside the factory. Did anyone have thunderbolt?
Negative.
Anybody got an LMG to lay down fire this way? Because they got guys.
We can cross it.
If you guys keep their heads down, I'll peek over the medic.
Then take at least the 2 guys with you.
Hold up, he's getting medicked up. Once he does
Right there in the truck. Right there in the truck.
James, we're gonna peek over the burn, okay? Alright, buddy, you wanna come with us?
Yeah.
Alright, James, ready?
Hey,
On the right too.
hey,
Right there.
press into that.
Go, go, go!
We need to rush up.
3, 2,
Cover fire!
Where are we going?
cover, cover!
Medic! I got a medic.
Oh, hit.
Hey, over the berm. Are you watching the
Hey, get this guy in the door.
He just ran over, right?
Come on, go, respawn.
Shit, guys. You need a medic? No, it's Meyer.
I need a medic.
You need a medic? You got a medic patch?
Cover!
Do me a favor. Kill the guy that kills you. Alright. Get back in there.
What's up, Zeke? Let's just cut across. Fine, come on.
We're encircling them. We're encircling them. We're getting them, dog. We're getting them. We gotta watch this brim, though. Good shit.
Is there any way into that fucking...
Yeah. We gotta clear the way.
I got him. I got the guy in the door. Let's rush up. Let's rush up.
Where will we go?
All of you guys fire at that.
There's a guy right here.
That's why I fire at them, and I'll just rush over to this little fucking whatever that thing
Hold on,
is.
there's a guy right here in the building. Oh, come on, not one single one of those.
Oh, there's another one there.
Hey, cover us from the bull.
Never mind, there's another one.
Are you dry firing?
No, it's just how these motherfucker sounds.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get into the fucking town.
You wanna do it?
Yeah.
Go. Go, 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 go.
Got his ass.
Watch out. Door.
Oh, God.
You got hit?
Nope. I'm almost out of battery. Oh, they have a rocket.
Do it! Penetration!
Oh.
You dead?
Yeah, I'm done.
No, you're not.
I'm done.
Bang, bang. Are you really dead or not?
I'm dead, I'm really dead.
Okay.
How about leaving? Hold on, give him a message.
Go, George!
You friendly? Oh fuck. Hit.
Tower.
So what's up, boss?
You guys, get in the trench!
Too much shooting going that way, too much shooting going
I was already inside the trench all the way halfway.
I was behind you.
Right now, right now?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Guys,
Let's go, boss. Let's go. Let's go. Right behind you. Right behind you. I watch you right. I watch you right. I got you on the right. Oh, hit.
They kicked us out of the far netting corner. That's where I was.
They're gonna be outside.
So what are you guys gonna do? Stay here?
Watch out, there's straight down.
Then we cleared all this whole area right here. Half of the trench is cleared.
Yeah, but they got the other half. But you want to just take it?
Well, yeah, but aren't we supposed to go straight out that way?
We can't, because we can't get over from that far
We
netting.
cleared that whole fucking right side right now.
That whole
though.
right side clear?
Yeah. Ugh.
Fucking last night.
You guys done?
Nope, it does. No. The slide comes back, right?
No, it doesn't.
Oh.
That's why I didn't go. No worries, dude. It's all good.
Wait, you're my team? Oh, fuck, you are.
Oh, we are? My bad.
Wait, you're on that side or this
Revive
side?
me. This side.
Oh, my bad. You're wearing the black on it.
It's all good. Thought you guys coming around because there's guys coming from behind us too now.
Hey, do you need a medic?
No, I'm good. I'm up.
Alright, sounds good. I'm watching this video right here.
Where that? I'll rush, I'll rush. Where that? Where that?
Down, down. Watch out. Pop up right in front of you at your 12. Pop
All right,
up
hold on,
against the wall. Go. Good. Good job. Pop up again. There's someone against the net.
This
Someone
net?
against the net where the ref's at.
Where's the ref?
Right at your 12 if you pop up.
Oh, hit. Hit.
Revive.
Yep.
Get over there. Hold up. I'm gonna clear it. Hold up. I'm gonna throw a grenade.
Hey, they're right here.
Yeah. I can't. I hit. Coming out.
Hey, hey. Medic, I need a medic, I need a medic.
I'm coming.
Just slip it on, just slip it on. We're good.
All right, you're up.
They're right there. And there's one right here across. Thanks, buddy. This way, so. Okay. Are they still in the wall?
No.
Let's go, let's move. I'll be behind you. Hey, hit. Hey, our own teammate shot us.
Go behind me, try to hit.
From the heavy.
You get in there?
Oh, I've been in there like 5 times in
I
a
know,
row.
but you get in there.
Huh?
I'll sacrifice myself going that way. You get in there.
I get in there.
All right, ready? Oh, I think we're order. Ready? Go. Oh,
Hit. Hit. Ah, friendly. Motherfucker. Hey.
our own guy hit you? You dumbass. You got a band?
I dropped it.
Here, get over here. Stay low.
They're not even here. Hey, you got that side covered?
You medic? Are you medic?
What the hell? No.
I fucking hate you so much.
Fernando.
Vamos para allá.
Hit!
Fernando, behind us now.
Puros bouncers.
Come there, coming out. Remember, this way. Let's go this way.
Oh yeah? I could clear this side right here.
Too hot. Let's take over the side. Yeah! Get your ass in here!
I got two right here.
Get your ass in here, hurry up! Run! Slide! Run and slide! Go! Go!
Hey, I got one right in front of here.
Stick it to the mountain. Right there.
To the mountain.
Go right, 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 go right.
Don't know? Let's go kill them.
Go right, go right. Go. Hey, this way. Come on, keep going, guys.
Oh, right there, straight ahead, straight ahead. Go. Move.
Go. Come on, guys. Go.
Oh, my bad, photo. My bad.
So where do you guys want to go?
This way.
Let's go.
Stay low.
Watch the wall. Watch the right hand wall. Let me get in. Go. Ahí lo voy. Yo me meto.
Friendly.
Oh, my bad. One time. Let's move up.
Go!
Let's go. Where's he at?
Okay, if there's a guy, I can right behind the guy's dead. Oh, dude. Hey,
Sorry.
Friendly, buddy.
you're here now.
Hey, get it straight.
Hey, where's he at? Do you know? Hey, buddy, do you know where he's at?
Go. Let other people get in. What's up?
You're good. Stay low.
Are they stacked on that wall?
No, there's one. He's dead. But he's got a friend. He's down low.
Oh shit.
I got him. He's dead.
I'm not playing.
He's down. He's two on the wall are down. Hey! Move up! Let's go! The wall's clear! behind the truck.